Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Grace. Today we are going to work on lesson 3.4 and it's called Add 3 Addends. So you need to make sure you have this page in front of you. It's page 181 and you need your pencil. And remember that you can pause this video throughout watching it so you can stop and work on some of the problems and solve them. So like I said, it's called Add 3 Addends. And this page here is just getting us started with some little fact families. So we're just going to write the sum of each pair of addends. Remember, addends are two numbers or three numbers or even four numbers. They're the numbers that you are adding together to get an answer. And the sum is a fancy word for an answer. So we have 6 and 2 are addends, and 6 plus 2 equals 8. So 8 goes in the top box. Now we have this, 3 plus 3. I always tell my kids, the doubles dance. So 3 plus 3 is the doubles, and it equals 6. Now we have 5 plus 4. We could think doubles plus 1, doubles minus 1. 5 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. Down here we have 1 plus 4 equals 5. And why don't you do the last two on your own? So we have 7 plus 3. You're going to put your answer up here. And 2 plus 5, put your answer up here. Remember to start with the bigger number when you are adding and count on and add the other addend. Let's go ahead and pause and finish those two. Okay. Next, we're going to flip to the next page. At the top, model and draw. It says you can group numbers in different ways to add. So there's going to be 3 addends, meaning 3 numbers to add. It says choose 2 addends. Look for facts you know. So you want to start with maybe some addends that you have mental math that you know the answer to really quickly. So down here, for this problem here, they're showing us it's 3 plus 2 plus 7. So 3 plus 2 are the ones that they chose to add. 3 plus 2 is 5. And then you have to still remember to add the other 7, so 5 plus 7 equals 12. Or you could do that same problem, 3 plus 2 plus 7, and add the 2 plus 7 first. 7, 8, 9, count on, so we have 9 here. Then add 3 more, 9, 10, 11, 12. So our answer is still 12. Or same addends, 3, 2, and 7. Notice it was 3, 2, and 7, 3, 2, 7, 3, 2, and 7. So 3 plus 2 plus 7. Now they're adding the 3 and the 7. This is what we like to call little carrots, drawing little carrots like the pointer of a carrot down here. So 3 plus 7 is 10. And then you can't forget to add the 2 that was in there, and that equals 12. All right, our directions say solve 2 ways. Circle the 2 addends you add first. So we're going to solve it 2 different ways. So our problem is 1 plus 8 plus 2. I am going to circle the 8 and the 2. I'm going to add those 2 first because I know that those are special. They make the number 10. That's a make a 10 fact. So I have 10. I can't forget to add the 1 that is also in the problem, the third addend. So now I have 10 plus 1 more is 11. So my answer is 11. Now for this one, I'm right here. It's the same problem. 1 plus 8 plus 2. That was over here. We got 11, but we chose to add 8 plus 2 first. Now I'm going to add a different number first. I still want to use up my biggest number, so I'm going to do 8 and 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. So I did my carrot and I put a 9. Now my answer isn't 9. It's just adding those 2 up first. So now I need to add my 2 that's left. So now you can use a strategy to add that. I'm going to start with the bigger number, 9 plus 2. So 9, 10, 11. My answer is 11. Same answer as before. I just picked 2 different addends to start with. So let's go here to number 2. We have 7 plus 3 plus 3. Ooh, I see doubles and I see another make a 10. I'm going to start with make a 10. 7 plus 3. If I put 7 in my head, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. I can't forget to add my other addend, the 3. So now I have 10 plus 3. So we can put 10 in our heads and add 3 more. So 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, this is the second one. It's the same addends, but we're going to add them a different way. I did 7 plus 3. Now I'm going to do my doubles. 3 plus 3. The doubles dance. So 3 plus 3, I know that my doubles is 6. And I can't forget to add my 7, my third addend. So now I have 7 plus 6. 7 and 6, they're one number away from each other. So I could think of doubles. I could do a doubles fact plus 1, maybe 6 plus 6 plus 1. I could add, if I needed to draw 6 over here, I could put 7 in my head and count on. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And we definitely should have our answers here and here should be the same because it's the same 3 addends. We're just choosing to add the addends in different order. Okay, I'm going to go on to number 3. Remember, you can pause the video at any time to write something. So our next problem is 4 plus 2 plus 4. Which way could I add? I want you to pick 2 numbers that you think would be a good start. I am going to do doubles, 4 and 4. So notice my caret's a big fat caret. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Now we can't think that's our final answer. We still have another addend left. So 8 plus 2 equals what? Ooh, this is a good number. I could draw 2 dots if I wanted. Put 8 in my head. 8, 9, 10. This is another make a 10. Now remember, this is the same problem, so we should get 10 as our answer, but now we are going to pick different numbers to add together. So we did 4 plus 4 before, so now we're going to do 4 and 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6, and I can't forget to add my third addend, so I have 6 plus 4. Use a strategy to add 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I want you to go ahead and do number 4 on your own. Pause the video and try number 4. All right. You should have paused that video and tried number 4. I'm going to go over it. 8 plus 2, I'm going to start with, that's 10 plus the 2 that was already there. 10, can count on 2 more, 11, 12. So I should get 12 for my next answer over here. I'm going to pick 2 different addends to add. So 2 and 2 now is 4 plus my 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Our answer is 12. Now look at this one. It's lined up differently, number 5, but it's still doing the same thing. We're still picking 2. And then we need to pick a different 2. Maybe we pick those 2. All right, so you're still adding, you're just putting them in a different order. So 2 plus 6 is 8, and I can't forget that 3, plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now over here I'm going to do 3 and 6, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 2 is 11, 9, 10, 11. All right, you are going to finish up the rest on your own. You do number 6, and then you're going to do this page on your own. Now this page has 3 problems. We are going to do those together right now. I'm going to get you started on them. So number 19 says Nick, Alex, and Sophia eat 15 raisins in all. So there's 3 kids. So Nick plus Alex plus Sophia equal 15 raisins in all. Nick and Alex each eat 4 raisins. So we have Nick, Alex, and Sophia. So Nick and Alex each eat 4. How many raisins does Sophia eat? So we don't know how many raisins Sophia eats. That's what we have to figure out. We know that all together they eat 15. So my number sentence is going to be 4 plus 4. Whoop. 4 plus 4 plus something equals 15. So let's add 4 and 4 first. Double dance. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I have 8 plus a mystery number equals 15. Actually, not put that so close. So 8, whoops. 8 plus something equals 15. And that mystery number will be our answer. So you could put 8 in your head and count up to 15. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I counted up from 8 to 15. So then I drew little dots there. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And we can count our dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 raisins is how many raisins that Sophia ate. Number 20. There are 5 green grapes, 4 red grapes in a bowl. Eli puts 4 more grapes in a bowl. How many grapes are in the bowl now? So we started with 5 and 4 and then 4 more. And that's our answer. So you are going to pick 2 addends to add together first and write your answer. Number 21. Mrs. Moore bought 4 small apples, 6 medium apples, and 3 large apples. How many apples did she buy? She bought a lot of apples, lots of different sizes. But we just have a number sentence with 3 addends. There's 3 numbers. 4 small plus 6 medium plus 3 large equals our answer. So you decide which 2 addends to start with, and then don't forget to add that 3rd addend. All right, boys and girls, remember you can go back and watch this video again. You can pause it throughout. You can take your time. You do not need to work as fast as I did on some of these. So take your time, have fun doing math, and we will see you guys soon.